Hey guys, here's how to sign out of WhatsApp from other devices. So if you guys want to go ahead and sign out your WhatsApp application or your WhatsApp account from other devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so on your primary device or your main device, I want you to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. Now, from here, let's tap on our settings application and let's scroll down over on linked devices. Now, we're gonna see your linked devices option over here, and this is gonna show you all of the devices that you are currently assigned into. So tap on each and every device, and all we need to do is tap on log out and do the same with each and every device to successfully log out of other devices. It's basically that easy guys, to sign out of WhatsApp from other devices. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.